Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking such videos, then go hit that subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader family. And if you're not yet watched this giveaway video, then go watch this giveaway video soon. It ends at December 13th. Okay, so once who wants additional services, you can WhatsApp a customer care team and contact the Smart Trader team by WhatsApping them 7892652481, or else visit our website smarttrader.co. And for the ones who wants to open an account in Zerodha or Upstock, you can open through us and you can be a part of our Telegram channel, and also you'll be getting those strategy videos and discount on training fees. So by saying that, let's now go to the main content. Okay, so how to be successful in intraday trading with lesser risk, right? So a lot of people wants to make a lot of money, and intraday is the only way to make faster money compared to other types of trading, right? But intraday has a lot of risk. We tend to lose all our money. Maybe we make a profit for 3-4 days, but later we will lose all the 100% money. So a lot of things come into picture. Okay, so how do we be successful in intraday trading with lesser risk? So in only way to make more profit is to understand how losses happen and to understand how to reduce risk. If you know these two way of reducing risk and how to avoid loss, automatically you will be in profits. So by just knowing a strategy or just by just knowing how to pick a stock, that will not help you to be successful on a longer term. You should also know how money management is done, how how well you plan things out till the end. So it's a financial decision, it's not just a game, right? So now let me explain you in a simple way. I know a lot of beginners are out there who are watching this video, and you will be thinking how is the safest way. So first understand, I used to take 20 times margin, I used to take 10 times margin. So this is the biggest risk in intraday which you see, right? Because if the stock goes towards your side, very good, but if the stock goes against you, you will lose a lot of money. But if you wait and wait, and you may lose 100% of money in these two cases, right? So I would have used 20 times and 10 times because I have lost a lot of money when I initially was a beginner. I used 20 times, 10 times, and I lost a lot of money. Okay, and I realized, and I didn't put any money, and I did paper trading, and I learned a lot of ideas, and that is when I came into market back. That is why today I am doing this channel. So if you want to avoid such mistake for beginners, I would recommend, okay, I'm not telling you to follow, because I'm just giving you an idea. So if you think it is positive, you can follow, or else you can just leave it there. So 20 times, 10 times is the risk over here. So first we need to mitigate these two risks. So if you want to remove these two risks, then you should not trade with margin. So if you are having, for example, 100 rupees, you should trade with 100 rupees itself. You should not take a margin of 10 times and make it 1000, or 20 times and make 2000. Okay, so you need to trade only 100 rupees, and you're trading with only 100 rupees. So you are not going to take any margin, considering you're a beginner. And first you need to learn how to make consistent profit, slow and steady. This is a slow and steady method, but end of the day, I would as per my analysis, this will definitely help, and this helped a lot of my students. That's the reason I try out new things and it is working out. And once it works out, only I put a proper rule to it, and I make a framework and I present to you guys. So this is something which is working for a lot of people, and I get a lot of feedback on this. So I felt happy, so that I will announce to all my people. So if you feel good, then try this out. So all you need to do is simple. Okay, just understand this basic calculations. We are not going to use the margin at all over here, 1 times, 10 times, 20 times. Okay, but the profit is going to be very less. But end of the day, we should see how much you're going to make it monthly, and for a year how much profit you make through intraday. Because in intraday you cannot make consistent profit, because if your accuracy may be good, but because of your money management proper, no plans, you may lose all the money because of the margin. Now for example, minimum 10,000 rupees is the capital. In today's world, 1,000 rupees doesn't have any much meaningful value. So let's say 10,000 rupees is your minimum capital for intraday trading. Okay, don't take margin, just trade with 10,000 only. Okay, now let me say 0.3% itself. Okay, so if you make a profit of 0.3%, first let me tell you the basic out of basic. If you are making a profit of 0.3%, you're making 30 rupees in a day. Okay, you have to listen. You may think 30 rupees very small. Now listen to the story. So this 10,000 rupees you are making 30 rupees over here, very small. If I would have used 10 time margin, 300 rupees. If I would have made 20 time margin, 600 rupees. Forget that. But imagine your capital. Now I'll just drag this formula down. Okay, and I'm just putting 10 lakh 1 lakh rupees. For example, you're a student, you're putting 10,000. You're an employee, you could save 1 lakh rupees, you're putting 1 lakh. Or you're a bit rich, or you are a businessman and you have money to invest, then you're putting 1 lakh rupees. So look at this. So you are making 30 rupees for 10,000 rupees, you're making 300 for 1 lakh, and you're making 3,000 for 10 lakh. Don't compare your 30 rupees with 3,000, because the capacity of capital is 10,000 here and the capacity of capital is 10 lakh. Both are same percentage of money. So what you invest is what you get. So first agree to this point, because many will say, sir, daily 30 rupees, what will I do with my life? Sir, daily 30 rupees, what will I do? So the one main thing what you have to understand is trading should not be the main source of income. This is wrong. Don't think trading is going to be the main source of income. Trading cannot be a main source of income. It's an unstable income. Trading is only an investment. Understand this. So you should always have minimum one source of income. Then only trading is nothing but money to money. Your money should make money. That is called trading investment. Okay, so main source of income, you should not be it should not be a main source of income. Okay, it should be something else, and you should be able to make money. And if you want to make your money into money, that is when you do trading, and that is called investment. Okay, so understand this. Do not say 30 rupees per day, do not say 300. If you're having 10 lakh, do not say 3,000 rupees. Accept the fact how much percentage you're making. Okay, now in intraday, when we used to take margin of 10 times, or we used to take margin of 20 times, we had to exit on the same day, right? We had to exit on the same day. But now, because we are taking on CNC, cash and carry, okay, so we are just trading with whatever money I have. So you can take into delivery. Okay, you can take it to the next day. Okay, the reason I'm telling is, let your accuracy be 80%. Out of 5 trades, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 trades you're good, 1 trade you're bad. Okay, on this one particular day you're wrong, right? So on that particular day, when the stock will not hit minimum 0.3%, it will go opposite to you. You can wait for the next day, you can wait for 5 days, you can wait for 1 month, you can wait for 1 year. So if you have patience, then you need to agree to this particular idea. Okay, if you do not have patience, then this game is not for you. So you should have a lot of patience, because we are trying to make that out of 4, 1 is a loss. We are trying to regain that 1 loss. Either you can book a loss. I'm not saying you cannot book a loss. For example, your 4 days profit is, for example, 500 rupees, and you are about to book a loss of 100 or maximum 200 rupees, then you book a loss, partial loss, and you're still profit of 300 rupees. But if you feel your 1 day loss is gonna eat up all your money, then you need to wait, patience, because you have put cash and carry. That means whatever money you put, you're trading only with that money. You're not taking any margin. So you're gonna wait for 5 days, you're gonna wait for 1 month or 1 year. The stock is gonna come to same level, or is gonna go higher. You're gonna book your profits. So this is one method where you should wait. Now few people will be like, no sir, what if it goes to delivery? I should wait for 5 days. Next day I cannot do intraday trading. I won't get the money. Do not think intraday trading is like every day you should do the intraday trading and every day you should make money. End of the month or end of the year, your book should have plus green color, positive. So that is more reality. It's not that every day you make profit and end of the month you will be like 100 200 times. It's not the reality. Yes, you would have seen me making in my live videos. I would have posted everyday videos. That's with lot of practice. And you know my story, how I have lost money, how much lakhs I have lost before. So understand that as a beginner, it's not that easy as you think. Trading is not that easy as you think. So you have to wait. Once you get the confidence, it's up to you how you do it. But until you get confidence, when you're playing with your hard-earned money, don't take margin. Just go with the money you have, and if it goes into a loss, then wait, it'll become a delivery. It'll be like a holding, short-term holding. Then you can wait for next day, 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, and then recover your profits or come to the same level. So that is how you can be safe by not losing your 100% money. No stock is gonna go 100% down unless there's a big bad news in the market and the company is gonna close down. So that is 2 years 3 years once in a story, and I don't think so you will invest in such stocks. So now, keeping this in mind, let's say you're making 0.3%, but 0.3%, the reason I told 0.3% is for intraday. If you're selling within a day and we are taking 10 times to 20 times margin, it's high risky. So but we are trading now with cash, so that is, the risk is less, so I can go minimum 0.5% also. Why 0.3? Minimum 0.5%, you're making 50 rupees per day. Okay, so before I make this zero point 0.5, let's calculate the basics for 0.3%. I'll show you the magic here. So you're making 30 rupees per day. Okay, let's say 20 days is the trading days. Let me say one day, 2 day you made losses, that ate up your profit of 2 days, and overall only 15 days you made profit. Okay, let's keep this stagnant. So I'll just say is equal to this into 15 days profit, right? So you're making 450 rupees profit in a month, and same way for 1 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees. This is the profit for the month you are making. Now when I calculate this for a year, this into wait, this into 12, so this is the profit which you are making for a year, right? So this one you're making for 15 days overall, and this was for a month, and you had 12 months, so you are multiplying this with this, so you're making this much of profit. So this much of profit for a year for this capital. So what is the profit? Is equal to this divided by this into percentage. So 54% profit. Everything should be same. See, same. The money invested, what you invested, you got 5,400. 10 lakh you invested, you got 5 lakh 40,000. But both percentage are same. You need to accept this fact. How much you invest, so much you get. Don't compare your 5,400 with 5 lakh 40,000. Okay. So based on your capacity, make your profits. Now this is the basic thing which I told. If you put maximum in a bank for a year, you will get around 5 to 6% on savings, or you will get maximum 7 to 8% on a fixed deposit. 8%, and where is 54%, right? And the risk is comparatively lesser. Okay, 54%, okay, doing 54% also, at least you're making 30%. That is more than anything what you get in fixed deposit. So that is one way of investing. So this 0.3 is the minimalistic which you have seen till date. When the stock moves minimum of 0.3, our strategy works all over India. But this is a cash stock, so I told you minimum 0.5. So if you change this to 0.5% of a stock, here you make 90 rupees. Okay, same way with this, you are gonna make 0.5 on all, and you are gonna make 90% profit. Hope you're getting it. If you're waiting 1%, you're making 180% profit, right? So you're making 180 for 10 lakh rupees, you're making 18 lakhs. For 10,000, you're making 18,000. So this number you need to decide how much are you going to make in your trades for a day. When you go 1%, 2%, it's not a big deal. You can go 1%, 2%, 5%, because you're taking cash, right? So you can wait 1 month, that will become short term trading. But every day will the stock go 1%, 5%? I mean, the stock which you pick only will move. The stock would have already moved, and you will be taking from there. Do you think it will go? No. So considering that, if you want to make daily profit, then I would suggest you keep the percentage maximum to 1, minimum to 0.5%. Okay, for a beginner. Don't keep 0.3%. 0.3% is just for intraday trading with margin, so that you get more profit. So if you're going with only your cash, then don't worry, you can go up to 0.5%, up to 1%, because you can get your trade done within the day. Start your trade by 10 o'clock itself, so that you get enough time so that stock can move and get your 0.5% or 1%. So 0.5%, and that's how we can consistently. Even also we didn't take continuously 20 days, we just took 15 days considering the losses also. But this is just an ideal way of calculation. Okay, and considering if the stock goes against you, we will wait for 1 week, 2 week, that time these percentage will reduce. But overall, end of the day, rather than your books looking zero, than saying intraday is not for me, intraday I just made 0 rupees, I lost all my 100% capital, instead of all the stories, hope this idea, I think you got an idea about this, what I'm trying to tell. Very slow and less risk type of intraday this is called. Okay, so very slow and risky way of doing intraday. Intraday is risky, but I'm just saying, if you're trading only with your capital, that is more safe. The more profit you want, the more capital you have to invest. But even putting in 100 rupees, I would not say incorrect. Even 100 rupees you can trade by just buying one single stock. You can trade and practice for a 6 months to 1 year and become an expert. Then you decide whether you want to put how much rupees in your investment. Is it in reality, is it helping your style? Are you able to pick up these topics? If everything is working, your psychology is working, your fear, everything works together, your brain works together in market situation, then yes, you can follow these. So like this, we'll come up with lot of ideas and lot of calculations up and down. Let's try out everything. It's all about, calculation and putting your mind more and more. The more time you put, the more ideas you get. So hope this simple idea is helping you. If you are my subscriber and if you want to follow this, then this is the homework for you guys. I would not say put 10,000 also. You can put 1,000 rupees and start and see for a month how it goes. If the stock is not, you're not able to make the profit on the same day, then wait for the next day, next week, and try to make your trade in profit and exit it as soon as possible, and see what is your performance. So to do homework, then you can play with one stock. I would say that would be really better and really safe. 100 rupees loss is not going to be a big loss in today's world. Okay, so if you're a student, then if you do not know anything about ABCD about trading and it's the first time, then don't put money at all. That's what I tell you. Practice for 6 months in paper trading. Understand the concepts, how to put order, everything, because you need to be faster. So once you're done with all, then only look into things. Okay, so trade safe. Hope this is an add-on to your knowledge. We'll be covering a lot of other things. Every day we'll be coming with different ideas and different topics. So if such ideas are helping you, then hit that like button and support me, and also comment good comments so that I can reply you guys. So see you soon in my next video, and also hit the subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.